Hello YouTube, hope you guys doing well. In this video we are going to see how to change the coolant liquid from the Dominar 400 or any other bikes. First remove the shield with the Allen key and just open the cap. Just remove the screw from the bottom of the radiator so that all the old oil will come out. The old oil is coming out. And just after the drain, screw it. This is the Motul Inugel Expert. We are just using this for the radiator. Just put some amount of oil with the help of a pipe in this radiator. It's necessary to change or flush the oil at quite some intervals so that the efficiency of the radiator will become somewhat good. Just fill it with radiator coolant for in the storage tank also. Now the process is over. It's just a simple process. For the full flush and restore, it takes around 1 liter of coolant oil, and put some coolant oil in the radiator storage tank also, say 100 ml like that. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, support and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.